How do you change your language in your Facebook Business Manager? In this video, I'm going to show you how. If you find this video useful, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my new updates. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my computer and let me show you how you can change the language for your Facebook Business Manager. Let's go. First of all, open up your Business Manager. So I'm not going to show you where you're going to find it. You just have to type in business.facebook.com and then you will come to here. So this is what you call a Meta Business Suite. All you need to do is go to Settings. Alright, click on Settings. And then you will go to the Business Manager settings. Alright. Okay, so now you are in the business portfolio. So you see at the left side is a menu, right? Just scroll all the way down. You should be able to see language settings. Click on that. Alright. So you can see account language. Click on this. And they can change accordingly to English UK, English US, Bahasa Melayu, or Chinese. Alright, I'm not going to change because I'm still going to use the English UK. But this is how you can change because certain clients I have are using Bahasa Melayu. So it depends on you which language that you prefer. I'll still stick to English. But in short, this is how you can just change the language and then the whole account will change accordingly. So yeah, that's how you can change your language in your Meta Business Suite. If you find this helpful, do subscribe to this channel and also give me the like to this video. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.